Group By is a powerful capability that allows users to view the data from different angles. Click on the drop-down in the backlog and select one of the Groups By options, for example, Parent Epic. All of your features will be grouped by the values of their parent epics. If features are not linked to the epics, they will be shown under the last group option. Now select option Planned Unplanned. This will divide the contents into two sections. Planned features are the ones that have stories planned in one or more team sprints on this board. Unplanned features are not picked up by any team yet. Click on the arrow to view the stories under the feature. To show more content, widgets are minimized by default. There are tooltips to show extended details. During planning, this view makes it easier to view your features and the stories. All the drag and drop and other operations are working normally. To reset the view back to the standard backlog view, select the No Group option from the dropdown. For more details, check help.kendis.io.